Hey learner, this is nileshhanumantborate. So in this video we will see the some question and answers. Okay, so this is the function and methods exercise. Okay, so students, see the question, read it carefully and pause the video. Okay, first you try it on your machine. Okay, then play the video and check it your answer. Okay, so see here, this is my first question. Write a function that return the lesser of two given numbers if both numbers are even, but return the greater if one or both numbers are odd. Okay, means define one function and pass the two parameters. If both parameters are even, then return the minimum of these two numbers. But one or both numbers are odd, then return the maximum of these two numbers. So first give the one title, function exercise. Okay, so this is my first question. Okay, so if my function name is that the lesser or greater. Okay, here these are two parameters. Okay, so first we check a mod 2 is equal to 0 and b mod 2 is equal to 0. So first condition is that the both numbers are even. Okay, if it is true, then return the minimum in between the a and b. So min and max, these are the two built-in functions in a Python. You can also do here by using the if condition to find the minimum of two number. If a is less than b, then return a, otherwise return b. Okay, here else return max in between a and b. Okay, if the if condition become false, means that both numbers are not even, means that one or two numbers is odd. Okay, so there is no need to use the logic for the odd numbers. Okay, see here, compile this function, then here call lesser or greater, pass here the two numbers. See here my both two numbers are even, so 2 is my minimum numbers. Okay, same here, lesser or greater than 5 and 2. See here, one of the number is odd, so my answer is that the maximum in between 5 and 2. Okay, so going to next question. So my next question title is that this is the animal cracker, means that write a function, take two-word string. Okay, and it return true. It return true if both words begin with same letter. Both words begin with same letters. Okay, so there is a one function and there are a one string as a parameter. So in this string there are the two words. Okay, so we split this string by using the space, and for the every word the starting letter becomes same, then it return true, otherwise it return the false. Okay, see here, def, this is my animal cracker. So animal cracker is just the title of this program. Okay, then this is my string str. Okay, see here, words is equal to str dot split. So split this word in a space character. So first print the both words. Here print the word 0 and here print the words of 1. Okay, first we test this function. See here, animal cracker. So my string is hello Python. See here, hello is my words 0 position string and words first position string is that the Python. Okay, so here we use the logic. See here, if words of 0, okay, and words of 1, okay, and in these two words, check here the first letter of every word, means that here first word of first letter and here second word of first letter. If both are the same, then return true. Otherwise, return false. Okay. So we test this code. See here, hello Python, false. Okay. Then animal cracker. See here. Okay. Level headed lion. Okay. See here, true. In this string, the both words starting with the same letter. Okay. So my answer is that the true. Okay. So going to next question. So my next question is that given two integers, return true if the sum of the integer is the 20 or if one of the integer is 20. If not, then return false. Okay. So read it carefully. What is the question? So my question is that, so see here, this is my function. So my function name is that the make 20. Okay, so there are the two parameters a and b. Okay, see here. So first we check the addition of two number is the 20. So first condition is that the a plus b is equal to 20. Okay, or check here, one of the number means that the a or b is 20, a equal to 20 or b is equal to 20. Okay, so there are the three conditions in the if statement. Okay, so if one of these condition becomes true, then return true. Okay. Okay, otherwise it return false. Okay, see here, test this code. So make 20, my two numbers are the 5 and the 15. So addition is the 20. So okay, this is typing mistake. Okay, see here, true, because my addition is the 20. See here, 25 and 15, false, because addition is not a 20 and a and b, one of these number is not a 20. Okay, then 20, 20 and 30, see here, true. Okay, so going to next program. So next question is that write a function that capitalize the first and fourth letters of a name. Okay, for example, this is my input McDonald and my output is that M capital and D capital. So pass the one string and convert the first and fourth letter to uppercase, means that they capitalize this letter. Okay, so see here, def, my function is that cap word. Okay, so this is one my string. Then check here, name of 0 dot upper plus. Okay, then name of 1 colon 1 is the starting position. So see here, 0 is here, then 1 is in A. So 1, 2. Okay, so 2 characters will be printed here. So here pass the 3. Okay, then name of 3 dot upper. Again name of 4 colon. Okay, see here cap word, so pass McDonald. So my answer is that M capital D capital. Okay, see here, this is the first position character, so this is my M. Convert this M into uppercase, then from first letter to second, 3 means that this is the slicing. Okay, and in slicing syntax, second parameter is that the stop, but character is printed the stop -1. Okay, so see here 1 to 2, so AC printed, then on third position there is a D converted into uppercase, and from fourth to end remaining string is here printed. Okay, so going to next section. So next question is that given a sentence, return a sentence with the word reverse. Only reverse the word. Def reverse word. Okay, this is my string str. Okay, see here. So first we print the separate word. Okay, see here. Return the str dot split. Okay, so see here, this is my function reverse word, and my input is that I love India. Okay, see here, I love India. So this string is splitted in a separate word. Okay, so we convert this word into reverse case. So here we use the slicing technique colon -1. If your step size is the -1, then it return the reverse string. See here, India love I. Okay, so here my string is reverse. Okay, so my question is that only reverse the word, not a string. Okay, so now my string is in reverse, but this is a list. So now we convert this list into a string. So use here one join function. Okay, so we join this in a space. See here, this is my list. Okay, lst equal to, here we return the lst. Okay, so compile and run. Okay, so we convert this lst list, so join. Okay, so here space dot join, pass here the list, and here we return the list. Okay, see here, India love I. So this is assigned to str is equal to, here we return the one str, or this is the one variable new str, this is new string new str. Okay, see here, India love I, this is your reverse word string. Okay, so join means that they join the every items to this space. Okay, so next question is that given an integer n, return true if n is within 10 of either 100 or 200. Is that, see here, this is the one example. Okay, means that if my function is that the almost there, okay, and if your input is the 90, then your output is true. Okay, means that, see here, 100 or 200 means that the 90 and the 100. So see the difference in between the 19 and the 100 is that the 10. Okay, so your difference is within the 10, so that's why return true. Okay, then if your input is, see here, if your input is the 104, so see the difference in between 104 and the 100 is the 4, so it return true. Again, if your input is the 150, then difference in between 100 and 150 is the 50, and 150 and 200 is also 50, means this is not within the 10, so my output is that the false. Okay, so this is the question. So see here, so this is my def almost there. Okay, and this is your n. Then first we find the difference in between. So 100 minus n, okay, which is less than equal to 10, or 200 minus n, which is also less than equal to 10, and we convert this difference into positive number. So here ABS function is used to convert the difference into positive. If it is, then return true, else return false. Okay, see here we test this code, almost there. So my input is that the 90, see here, true. Again input is the 104, true. Again if it is 150, okay, false. See here 205, so difference in between 200 and the 205 is the 5, so true. Okay, so next, going to next question is that given a string, return a string where for every character in the original there are the 3 characters. There are 3 characters, means that, for example, if your input is that the hello, then your output is that every character is repeated in a 3 times, H H H, E E E, L L L, again L L L, O O O. This is your output. Okay, see def, so this is a repeat character and this is my string. Okay, so this is my empty result. Then we use one for loop. So for chr in str, so one by one character is going to this character variable. Okay, and result is equal to result plus, here we concat this result string to char star 3. So plus have the 2 uses, one for the addition, one for the string concatenation. Same here, star also have the 2 advantages, one for the multiplication and second one is the string repetition. So here character is repeated 3 times. Okay, so every character is repeated 3 times and which is concatenated to this result string. So after breaking this for loop, we return this result variable. Okay, see here, repeat character, here we pass hello. So this is my output. So error, so result equal to result plus char star 3. Name char is not defined. So here this is a syntax error, char. Okay, so first again run this code. Result is, see here again typing mistake. Okay, run. So this is my output. Okay, so students, try this code on your machine. So if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.